Hello there, strangers. Guess he's finally back after a 2-month hiatus. Oh man. Let me tell you, I have missed you guys. I have missed playing with makeup. I think in the last month I have worn makeup one time. So, with this We Were Young tour being announced, which at this point I don't know if it's honestly true or not, it got me thinking that I have some of my old makeup from back in the day. Don't ask me how or why. This palette is at least 15 years old. But I got this palette from Hot Topic. And I kind of feel like trying to use it. I can't remember the last time I've used it. The black is non-existent anymore. That's all I wore back in the day. So I'm gonna try to do a makeup look with it. I'm not gonna do much talking once again. It's just a makeup tutorial. I don't really need to talk and bore you guys. Just kind of get into the moment, let you listen to some of this elevator music as we do this. And let's just go ahead and jump right into this, guys.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine.
Shadows played a trick on my eyes. Creatures in my bedroom at night. Lately I have not been sleeping fine. I can't get no peace of mind. Though I could be better than I've ever been. Got friends, a family, and a place to stay. Though I should be better than ever when I see my loved ones every day. I know for every laugh we share today, there'll be a teardrop later on. I know the more I have, the more I have to lose, the less I feel I've won. I've been having nightmares. I've been having nightmares. Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, oh. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, oh. I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too. Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, oh. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, oh. If it was never what you wanted, we've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand.
Okay, so I ended up saving this look somehow. Don't ask me how. So applying this with any kind of brush is impossible. So I decided to take that one last green color and apply it with my finger, and then just on the outside crease, or on the outside and in the crease, I use this color in the e.l.f. Mint Melt. I don't know exactly which one this is. Meant to be, I guess. And I just did that right there and in the crease. So we're just going to do that on this eye, and then we'll move on to the bottom lashes. love it. So it was supposed to be me using a Hot Topic palette, but it sucked. Like, I guess back in the day I thought that was the shit, but it's really not. Not all of the colors in these e.l.f. palettes really pulled off, but some of them did. Like this one saved this entire look. I was panicking there for a minute. Wasn't really sure we were gonna get, or I was gonna get what I was looking for. I didn't get what I was looking for, but we got that. Not too bad, right? I don't know. It's something different. I wanted to do something that was kind of similar to how I did my makeup back in the day. This wasn't like an everyday look. Maybe eventually I'll do like my own little twist on how I used to do my makeup. It's kind of terrifying though, to be honest. My makeup was scary back then. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Maybe in a couple weeks I can explain to you guys why I was absent for so long. It's been a really weird time right now. I was gonna post on Thanksgiving, but the holidays were just really hard for me this year, as they were for me last year. This year seemed to be a little worse, but I am back for a while now. So remember, you guys, to be you, love yourself, and stay spooky. And I'll see you guys next time.